Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate the reply for your Facebook comments using Google Gemini with Pabbly Connect. So let's suppose I'm running a business and I'm posting on my Facebook. I receive a lot of comments there. But if I reply to these comments manually, it will consume a lot of my time, and that's why I have created this automation using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Facebook page and Google Gemini. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a manner that whenever there will be new comment on my Facebook page, I am going to generate a content or a reply using Google Gemini, and then I am going to reply it on my Facebook comment. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process, then let me take you all to my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how we can integrate Facebook comments with Google Gemini such that whenever I receive a new comment on my Facebook page post, a reply is automatically generated using Google Gemini and it is posted to my Facebook comment. For this, I'm simply going to create integration between this Facebook page and my Google Gemini using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect, access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'll name this workflow as Google AI replies to your Facebook comments automatically, and now I'm going to select my folder. Now these are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as all automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter my trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new comment on my Facebook post, it should be automatically added to my workflow, and from here I'm going to create or generate a reply for that using Google Gemini, and then I'm going to reply on that particular comment, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new comment, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook pages, and following this trigger application in my action application, I will take Google Gemini, and then I'm going to take Facebook comments. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Facebook pages. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new comment and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook pages. Now here I've already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why it is asking me, do I wish to continue with the same account? So yes, I'm going to continue with the same account, and you will see Facebook pages will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and here connection created successfully. Here it is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. Now I need to enter this page. So if I open my Facebook account, this is the page which I have created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I want that whenever a comment is posted on this particular page, I should trigger this workflow. So I'm going to select the Facebook page as Digital Dynamics, and after selecting this, I'm simply going to click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. Now in order to capture this webhook response, I'm going to open my Facebook from another account. I will be opening this particular page, Digital Dynamics, and I will be posting a comment. Now, as soon as I post a comment, I should capture that response here in this workflow, and this is going to show us the connection setup is working fine or not. So here I have opened this Digital Dynamics page using another Facebook account, and I will be posting a comment. So here I'm going to post the comment like I want to know the details of the Black Friday sale. I'm going to post this comment, and then I'm going to go back towards my workflow and check whether I have received this exact comment in my workflow there or not. And here it is 6 seconds ago, which means as soon as the comment was posted, I received the response. So if I scroll down, I can see all the details. The comment which we posted was, I want to know the details of the Black Friday sale, and here it is. So here, as soon as I've posted the comment, I've received the response, which means the connection setup is working fine. And now whenever there will be new comment, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new comment, I want Google Gemini to generate the reply for this. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Gemini. In my action event, I'm going to select it as generate content and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and now to make this connection, I need to enter the API key. So in the help desk, a hyperlink is provided to me, which I'm going to open, and it will take me towards the API keys page, from where I'm going to show you how you can create a new API token. Now on the left hand side down corner, you can see this get API key. So I'm going to open this, and from here you can create a new API key. You have to first name this key, you have to select the imported project, and then you simply need to click on this create key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and paste that over here. Now from here, I'm going to copy the API key which is already provided to me, paste it over here, and then save this. So here Google Gemini is connected to Pabbly Connect, and now I need to enter the prompt, which is I'm going to enter this in text field. Then I have to select the model and the method. Now over here, I'm going to create a prompt in such a manner that based on that prompt, my Google Gemini is going to generate the reply for a particular comment which I'm going to map. I'm going to enter the prompt like, so the prompt is generate a specific single reply for comment received on my Facebook page post. I'm running a Black Friday sale for my digital marketing agency, offering special discounts on social media marketing, lead generation, Google Ads, SEO, and automation setup service. If the comment asks about the offer, pricing, or service, include the relevant Black Friday detail naturally in the reply. Keep the tone friendly and helpful. Do not include unnecessary headings or symbols, as I want to directly post the reply, and then I'm going to enter the comment. Now I'm not going to enter the comment like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the comment from the previous response. Now here I have received the response from this Facebook page, and when I click on this field, I can see this Facebook page. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter the comment like this, which means I have mapped this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now over here, I'm going to select the model as 2.5 Pro, and then the method is generate content. I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response. A reply will be generated, and then we are going to post it to the Facebook comment. And here it is, we have received this reply, or we have received this response. Hey there, thank you so much for reaching out about our Black Friday sale. We are excited to be offering special discounts across all core service, including these services. To give you the specific details and see which offer would be best fit for your business, I've just sent you a private message with more information. Looking forward to chatting with you there. Now, based on the prompt which I have added, it has generated the reply. In the prompt, you can also add the pricing details or the offer details, like this is the offer, and you can reply with the help of this detail, or you can provide a contact information or something like that. I have created a very generic prompt, and based on that prompt itself, I have received the response. Now I am going to reply with this particular comment. I'm going to cross this action step. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'll search for Facebook comments. In my action event, I'm going to select it as reply comment on page post, and then click on connect. Now here I'm going to click on this add new connection, connect with Facebook comments, and then I'm going to continue with the same account. You will see connection will be created successfully. Here it is. Now I'm going to select the page first. So the name of the page is Digital Dynamics, and then I need to enter this post ID. So if I click on this, you can see this post ID. I'm going to toggle this on, and then I'm going to map the post ID which I have received from the previous response. I have received the post ID from this Facebook pages and I'm going to map that. I have already told you the importance of mapping. We are going to map this post ID so that whenever I receive a new post ID, it gets replaced with the old one. So here I'm going to click on this field, click on this Facebook pages, and then I'm going to search for post ID, and here it is. This is the post ID. Now I'm going to enter this top level comment ID. So I'm going to toggle on this button, remove this comment ID and map the comment ID, which is this one. After entering this post ID in the comment ID, I am going to enter the comment. I have received the comment from this Gemini response, which is this one. So I have mapped this. After mapping all the required fields, I am simply going to click on save and send test request, and you will see this reply will be posted to that particular comment which we have received. Let's wait for the response, and here it is. We have received the response and this response is a positive one. Let me open my Facebook page, and here I'm going to open my comments. So if I scroll down, you can see that 6 minutes ago, this was the comment which was posted, and 1 minute ago, this is the reply which is posted, which we have just generated. Now, in this workflow, I'm going to add a delay of 5 minutes so that whenever I receive a comment, the reply is posted after 5 minutes and not instantly. I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'll search for delay by Pabbly. In my action event, I'm going to select it as add time delay and then click on connect. In this delay, I'm going to search for delay for the unit will be minute, the value will be 5. So I'm going to click on save and send test request, and here it is. This step has been delayed for 5 minutes, and whenever I'm going to receive a comment, the reply will be posted after 5 minutes. Now to summarize, we took Facebook pages as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect to receive the new comment, and then we wanted to generate the reply. With the help of this Google Gemini, we generated the reply. We put delay, which means after 5 minutes the reply should be posted. We took Facebook comments as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the post ID, entered the comment ID, entered or mapped the reply, executed this workflow, and finally posted that reply to this particular comment. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this Facebook pages, Google Gemini and Facebook comments using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.